What's up, Blue Travelers? Welcome to the vlog. Today I am doing another Nerf review. So today we're reviewing the Dual Strike. You got that switch section. So cool. And then you got boom. And then now I got my Nerf pack. Has my Mega and Elite Dart. I just don't have my Mega, so I'm just gonna pull it out. Boop. So let's just put it in here, lock it, switch it like good, and then boom. Pretty powerful. Okay, now we're gonna try the Elite. Got the Elite Dart. Now into a hole, lock it, switch it. Boom. And guys, if you haven't seen my cousin and our team, it's Team Popstar. That's right there. That's my initials. That's my team. It's legend. And guys, I'm gonna be doing some videos on me drawing pictures like this. And like this. Pretty good drawing. So guys, I'm gonna be doing another one in probably 2 weeks. Probably today. So guys, go check out my merch. It's almost gonna be there. And peace.